Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Pavoni Professional here, and pretty much what we did was a tune-up, pretty much cleaning out the whole, or opening up the whole group head, replacing all the gaskets, lubricating everything up, cleaning it out. We replaced the side glass with the plastic over it, and we cleaned out the steam knob, going inside there and replacing all that. And now we're going to do a test shot, and we're going to test the steam right after. So, I'm going to pull this lever up. Then we're going to wait a couple seconds. Then we're going to push down evenly. You're going to take that out. Then we're going to test the steam. You see it running well. Everything's running pretty good. Thank you for the repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.